Hi guys, this is Kogi State, Confluence State. Indeed, it's the Confluence State. As you can see, this is the flood we'll be talking about. The agent chairman, Mr. Emeka Short, it is here, and he came to view things. You can see how terrible. Let's go closer and have a very good view. See the destruction. This is just the edge of the water. I think in the morning the water was not up to this level, but we don't know what next will come of it tomorrow. This is how terrible the situation is.
Yeah. Shaman is in his own.
Yes.
Wow. This is the state of Kogi State now.
A very terrible situation. Look farther, you can see a car. There's a car there after the gates. Car is sinking. Now the problem we have here is this. The government is aware of this. They know very well what is going on, and I know that international bodies are going to come in to support many of these houses that are victims of all these things. But tomorrow, these people will not be the beneficiary of all the palliatives the government will send, and that is just the problem that we're having. So I don't know, are we going to be suffering from the dam they open all the way from Cameroon and all of that? Well, may God help us.
We are calling on the international body. We are calling on the federal government. We are calling on the state government to come and assist the homeless. Because this water has sent a lot of people away from their homes. And we are hoping that those that have packed their things away from their houses, so that the government will assist them to secure a home for them. A shelter where they can lay their head. It has destroyed a lot of properties. It has destroyed a lot of goods. This is happening down to Lokoja.
Down to Ganaja village.
We have been to Gadumo. We have been to Kabawa. We have been to Adankolo. This same thing is happening.